As an English language arts teacher, you already know that teaching writing is challenging, especially when teaching middle schoolers. You want the time that you invest in lesson planning, creating engaging activities, and giving feedback, grading, and interacting with your students to actually pay off for both you and your students. It can be really overwhelming. Hi, I'm Kathie, the creator of Teach2Write, and I'm passionate about helping you reduce the overwhelm of teaching writing in the middle school classroom. So on this channel every Monday, I will post new videos to give you the proven tips, tricks, and strategies that I've used with thousands of student writers over the last 26 years of teaching writing. I can also show you systems that work in your classroom, such as the Writer's Workshop approach, to get the results you want and transform your students into writers, while also saving you time to spend with your family and friends. There also may be some bonus videos as well, so you don't want to miss out on those. Please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the bell so you don't miss out on any of the videos when they drop. Bye for now, and happy writing.